I think you can see the planes outside. This room is huge. I think this is deluxe suite or equivalent. The room is so spacious, I'm staying here for one night. This is Parkroyal Melbourne Airport. This is the king size bed. Look at bathroom, it's huge. Jacuzzi, standing shower, toilet. Oh, look at that view. That's the airport. Even though it's for one night, I'm going to enjoy this room as much as possible. The room looks so cozy and the bed is so inviting. One night seems not enough. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe to my channel. That's a complimentary chocolate. Yeah, awesome. There's one additional toilet here, if I'm not mistaken. Sorry for the shaky videos. Here are some of the photos of the business suite. If you have any questions, please do comment. If you have like one day transit, you can book this room. This is Parkroyal Melbourne Airport. Thank you for watching, guys. See ya.